Hello, I'm Laura. Today I'm going to tell you about the maintenance of this 6-wheel drive dump truck. The tires and the braking system are one and the same. Therefore, good tire maintenance can also play a role in protecting the chassis. Tire performance affects the truck driving capabilities. A loose or tight driveline can cause damage to the truck. Tires should be adjusted to the right tightness and check the wear condition regularly. The chassis is the closest part of the vehicle to the ground, often gets stuck in the mud while traveling. In raining and snow weather, rain and snow may damage chassis parts to some extent, causing rust and corrosion. Therefore, drivers need to regularly wash the truck and wash the vehicle's frame, drive shafts, tire fenders, and other locations. Prevents rust and the corrosion of the above-mentioned parts. That's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye-bye.